Let's find the total of our school supplies. We're going to buy a pen that's $1, a book that's $4, and a calculator that's $8. What's our total? Well, have you noticed they're all in dollars? There's no cents at all. So we can just work with the numbers for now. I'm going to start with the large number, $8. And then I'm going to pick the next largest number, which is $4. Now 8 is close to 10, so I'm going to use bridge to 10. 8 plus 2 gives me 10, and then I can add the other 2 to get 12. And then I just need to add my $1, so 12 plus 1 is 13. Remember, it's dollars though, so the total is $13. And if I wanted to pay, I might use a $10 note and 3 $1 coins. But I could also make it up a different way. Think of some other ways you could pay $13. This time I'm buying some fruit, and I've got dollars and cents, but I want to work out the total. So what I might do is think of my amounts as their separate dollars and cents. $3.20 is $3 plus 20 cents. $4.50 is $4 plus 50 cents. And $2.20 is $2 plus 20 cents. Now there's a couple of ways we could do this, but if I do it this way, what I'm going to do is add my dollars together first. 3 plus 4 is 7, and 2 more makes 9. So I've got $9 just from the dollars part of my prices. And then I can add the cents and add that on. I'm going to start with the 50 cents first, the biggest number, and then I'm going to add 20 cents, that makes 70 cents, and another 20 cents makes 90 cents. So I've got $9 plus 90 cents. So the total is $9.90. There's another way I could have done that. I could change all of my amounts just to cents. If $1 is 100 cents, I can change these amounts. $3.20 is 300 cents plus 20 cents. That's 320 cents. $4.50 is 450 cents. And $2.20 is 220 cents. So you could add all of the cents up here by working down the page using this vertical algorithm, and then you could actually leave your answer as cents. And then what you need to do is actually convert your answer back to dollars and cents. So why don't you work out the cents and then see if you can change it back to dollars and cents.